Hey everyone, Jasmine here. As a licensed real estate agent, I'm always going to suggest that you get a home inspection anytime that you're buying a home. But here's a tip. Whenever you're looking at drainage piping, you want to make sure that you do not have flexible piping like this. Always make sure that you have straight line piping. Now when you get an inspection, the inspector is going to notate this, but this is something that you should just keep an eye on.
Thank you so much for watching. For more real estate tips and tricks, make sure you check me out on Instagram at Jasmine Nesby Realtor or Facebook, Jasmine Nesby. And if you're interested in learning how to become a homeowner, a real estate investor, or how to sell your own property, make sure you contact me directly at 708-627-0611 or on email at jasmine.nesby@kw.com. Again, my name is Jasmine Nesby, your Chicagoland Realtor, and I look forward to working with you in the near future. See you next time.